Have you ever pondered over the profound significance of life on land? This is no mere philosophical musing, but a question that strikes at the heart of our existence. Imagine a world without the towering trees, the rustling grass, the chirping birds, a world devoid of life on land. It's almost impossible, isn't it? Life on land provides us with the essentials, the food that fills our bellies, the shelter that protects us from the elements, and the air that fills our lungs with every breath we take. But the value of life on land extends beyond these tangible benefits. It's also about biodiversity, the rich variety of life forms that inhabit our planet. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Yet we must ask ourselves, but are we doing enough to protect this life-giving land that we so depend on? In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there exists a community that has dedicated its life to preserving the land, a place where the air is thick with the scent of wet earth and the echoes of birdsong, a place that is home to an indigenous community, the unsung heroes of the Amazon, who have been for countless generations the guardians of this green paradise. Their story is one of resilience and unwavering dedication. A tale of a people who have stood time and again against the onslaught of deforestation and illegal mining operations, even at the risk of their own lives. The trees they protect are not just plants to them, but living, breathing entities that hold the memories of their ancestors and the promise of life for future generations. These warriors of the forest do not just fight, they heal. With hands roughened by years of work, they plant new trees, replacing those lost to greed and ignorance. Each sapling is a symbol of hope, a pledge to the future. They create protected areas, sanctuaries where nature can flourish, untouched by human hands. But their efforts do not stop at the boundaries of their land. They strive to educate others about the importance of conservation. They share their knowledge, their passion, and their vision with anyone willing to listen. They tell tales of the forest, of its beauty and its importance, of its role in sustaining life on Earth. They aim to inspire, to ignite a love for the land in the hearts of others. Their story is a testament to their love for the land. It is a reminder that every effort, no matter how small, can make a significant difference. Their fight is not just for them, but for all of us, for the very future of our planet. This community is a shining example of how every effort, no matter how small, can make a significant difference. Preserving life on land isn't just the responsibility of a few, it's a collective duty we all share. Imagine if each one of us planted a single tree, how much fresh air we could breathe. Or consider this, if we all made a conscious effort to reduce our waste, how much cleaner our lands would be. You don't need a superhero cape to make a difference. You can start right in your backyard or your local community. Plant a tree, start a compost pile, or even set up a bird feeder. Support local conservation efforts. Join a cleanup drive or simply educate your friends and family about the importance of biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem, contributes to the larger picture of preserving life on land. We each bear a part of this responsibility, and together we can create a world where biodiversity thrives. So, what will you do today to ensure the survival of life on land tomorrow?